Greetings of the day. This presentation gives glimpses and overview of one of the premier institute of Himachal Pradesh, that is Government College of Pharmacy, Rodu. The college is located approximately 100 kilometers from capital of state and situated in the lap of snow-capped Himalayan range at an altitude of 1554 meters. The college has got extension of approval from AICTE up to 2021 and Pharmacy Council of India up to 2023. The college is affiliated to Himachal Pradesh Technical University, Hamirpur. The college, since its inception in 2005, has been providing quality education in pharmacy sector. Vision and mission of an institute are important perspectives that shows its solidarity and dedication for academic and social upliftment. The college aims to be one of the premier and center of excellence in pharmaceutical research. The college is devoted to be a center of excellence in education, research and training and to produce human resource of exceptional leadership quality to serve national needs. This college offers 4 years undergraduate course and has sanctioned intake of 40 students. The college has been certified by ISO 9001-2015 and this certification will help in placement of students and will also help to procure research grants. The college has all the basic, mandatory and desirable infrastructure to support the academia as well as the extracurricular activities of the students. The tall, beautiful buildings situated in the campus administrative block of the college, which is designed for easy assessing of students and outside person with enough working space. Administrative block have reception area, waiting area, principal office, faculty cabins, main storeroom and auditorium. The academic block houses labs of core branches of pharmacy, library, animal house, security room, machine room, NCC office, NSS office and student activity rooms beside a cafeteria. The college has well fabricated and well designed auditorium having seating capacity of approximately 300 people and it is one of the main center of attraction of the college, which is used to celebrate occasions of national and international importance and is also a source of institutional revenue generation. The college have 90-seater girls hostel which has singlet and triplet capacity, which has separate dining area, medical area and is fitted with various other amenities as per the guidelines. The college has 2 type 5 residences and 5 suites are available in the guest house of the institute beside having separate medical facility and doctor's room. The college has well equipped library having approximately 8,000 books, e-books, journals of national and international importance, CD-ROMs and other books which are as per the guidelines. There are more than 30 computers which are present in computer lab and language lab which are connected with Wi-Fi and internet facility. College has recently fabricated a seminar room which is going to be used as a video conferencing room as per the directions received. Various labs of the college are fitted with various instruments that includes FTIR, the sophistication level goes on, HPLC, ELISA reader, UV visible spectrophotometer, etc. etc. The college has machine room as per the AICTE guidelines. Different labs which belongs to core branches of pharmacy, that is pharmaceutics, biotechnology lab, pharmacognosy lab, pharmaceutical chemistry lab, pharmacology lab, smart classroom and other facilities. The college has 2 tutorial rooms which are as per guidelines of AICTE, separate boys and common girls room which are utilized for various extracurricular activities of the students. The college has recently upgraded its cafeteria with some modern facilities and modern furniture installed. Beside academics, the college also excels in extracurricular and social activities. The college has well established NSS unit which has been engaged in various social activities, drugs de-addiction, cannabis eradication and social awareness programs. The college has been participating in various sports festivals organized by Himachal Pradesh Technical University, Hamirpur. Adding a feather to the cap, the college has got the sanction of NCC unit which has been established in the college in January 2021. Apart from 3 classrooms and 1 smart classroom, the college has 2 big examination halls, and the college provides dedicated medical facility not only to students but also to staff members. Recently, each and every student, including staff members, were screened for COVID-19 through RT-PCR. The college has beautiful, well-fenced herbal garden fitted with various herbs, shrubs and trees of wide importance, which adds charm to the Department of Pharmacognosy. Looking at the health perspectives of students and to utilize their time in the better way, the college has been equipped with latest exercise and gymnastic equipments and has established a gymnasium in the college campus. The college, as per the AICT guidelines, the college has been trying to get the no objection certificate from the fire safety system, and a fire safety system is in installation, is in progress in the college. As per the various guidelines received, the college has mandatory disclosures everywhere in the college, and apart from transportation facilities, the college has to the students, the college has 52-seater bus and latest BS6 Bolero model, which is used for not only for official purposes but also for to provide medical and tour facilities to the students. The college has ample vehicle parking space available in the campus, and to showcase various achievements and creativity of faculty as well as of the students, the college has launched its newsletter in April 2019, and in May 2021 its 5th issue is coming. And at the last, I thank Himachal Pradesh Technical University for giving us space and time to showcase our progress. Thank you so much.